How to stop automatic payments in Bank of America application. Hey everybody, in today's video we will be guiding you through that, so let's just get started. First of all, you may head over to Bank of America online banking and head over the web version, or you can even access the application and simply basically go ahead and log in into your account. You can use your user ID and your password for that. So in this user ID section, you may enter up your user ID, and right below it, you can enter up your password for your Bank of America and access a Bank of America application within your device. Now that that is done, if you would like to stop automatic payments from your Bank of America account, you will need to cancel them either through the online banking, so you need to be logged in first, or by contacting the company you're paying. So what you may do is, once you are logged in, you can find the section for managing automatic payments or scheduled transactions. That may be under transfer or bill pay. You can just go ahead and locate it up and select the specific payment that you want to stop and choose the option to cancel or edit it out. And you may need to do this for each of the individual payment. And you can check your account status to ensure the automatic payments are no longer scheduled. Otherwise, you can directly contact the company that you're paying. For that, you can directly contact the company or service provider directly, either by phone, email, or letter, and inform them that you are revoking the authorization for automatic payments from a Bank of America account. You can confirm the cancellation in the writing, either by email or letter. In that way, you can do so. Or you can even contact Bank of America customer service. So you can directly contact Bank of America customer service. You can directly type Bank of America customer service in your search and you will be finding the results. You can just go ahead and provide them the details, have your account information and details about the automatic payments ready. And that way you can just go ahead and cancel your automatic payments. So that's it for today's video. You may follow up this method and see if it works. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.